Hi KCET 2025 aspirants. So here is an important update for all of you. So yesterday CBSE 12 results are out and PU2 results were already out, and you know that this 12th examination results carry 50% weightage in the KCET rank determination, right? So you need to upload your PU2 marks, and you need to update about your class 12 marks. So this update that has been released by KCET is regarding this purpose. So let me tell you in detail, okay? So you can go to the KEA official website, then you can go to this page. So let me just change this. Yeah, you can see here in the admission section, okay, and we have this UGCT 2025, and then you can see note on entry of second PUC CBSE 10+2 marks and NATA marks, okay. So just click on this, you can find, you can just go for advance. Yes. Now see, the candidates who have passed 12th standard from CBSE, CISE 10+2 examination from the schools and colleges located outside the state of Karnataka should compulsorily enter their 12th standard marks and upload the marks card copy in the portal. This is very important. You have to do compulsorily. Students from CBSE, CISE 10+2 examinations from the schools and colleges located outside the state of Karnataka, okay. And KEA has enabled the link in the website, so you can click on this and you have to enter your 12th standard marks and also upload the marks card copy, okay. Next, second point, the CBSE, CIC and PU candidates who have passed second PUC or 12th standard or 10+2 examination from Karnataka schools and colleges need not enter their qualifying examination marks in the portal, but they should have correctly filled their qualifying examination register number, roll number in the CT 2025 online application. KEA will directly collect the data from the concerned boards based on the register number or roll number. I hope this is clear. So the students who are from Karnataka, who have studied in the schools of Karnataka and belong to PU2, CBSE or CISCE boards, for them you don't have to enter your marks, you don't have to upload your marks. The KEA will directly collect their marks, but you should have provided the correct registration number or roll number in the CT 2025 application. Register number and roll number of your 12th examination, you would have provided it correctly in the CT application form, okay. Next, in due course, online link will be enabled in the KEA website to enter the NATA 2025 marks to the candidates who have filled their CET 2025 application and also qualified in the NATA 2025 examination for admission to architecture course. So this is about architecture. So online link will be enabled for those students who have given the NATA exam, for them to marks to be uploaded. That link will be uploaded. It is not yet uploaded, okay. So this video is mainly two things you have to do. Those students who are studying in the schools and colleges outside Karnataka and have applied for KCET, please make sure that you enter your marks, okay. Link is already available. And those students who have studied in the schools within Karnataka, you just check that you have given the correct application number, roll number in the CT application form, okay. So this was an important update, and please do not miss this because this is very, very important. 50% weightage will be given to your PU2 marks. So please make sure that you have completed this. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. We will be bringing many more updates, counseling videos and many important other things. Thank you.